3 avocado seedlings, 3 powerful nitrogen nutrients. Only one will dominate this race for growth. For the next 30 days, we'll measure every leaf, every root, and every inch of development. One nutrient will become the champion, one will disappoint, and one may completely surprise us. Every great experiment begins with a fair starting point. Each seedling receives the same soil, the same sunlight, and the same watering schedule. The only thing changing in this experiment is the source of nitrogen. Nutrient A is fish emulsion, a fast-acting organic fertilizer known for rapid growth. Nutrient B is compost tea, packed with beneficial microbes and naturally available nutrients. Nutrient C is a concentrated high-nitrogen fertilizer designed specifically to accelerate vegetative growth. Now the competition officially begins. At day 1, the differences are almost impossible to see. But hidden beneath the soil, the race has already started. And the first signs of a winner may arrive sooner than anyone expects. After 7 days, tiny differences begin to emerge. The fish emulsion treatment appears slightly ahead in leaf size. Nitrogen powers chlorophyll production and photosynthesis. The first data points reveal a small but measurable advantage. Stronger stems often indicate efficient nutrient utilization. Color can reveal hidden differences in nutrient absorption. The gap is still small, but a leader is emerging. Week 2 is where growth often accelerates dramatically. Growth suddenly begins to explode. The leaves are now competing for sunlight. Nitrogen is a critical building block of chlorophyll. For the first time, the difference becomes obvious. The real competition may be happening underground. Tiny root hairs dramatically increase nutrient absorption. Healthy roots are the foundation of healthy growth. Nitrogen moves quickly through the plant's vascular system. By week 3, one treatment begins separating itself. Its leaves are larger, darker, and healthier. The differences are now impossible to ignore. Stem thickness reveals the strength behind the growth. Growth rates continue to diverge. Underground, the same seedling is dominating. Every metric points toward the same conclusion. But the biggest surprise is still ahead. 30 days later, the experiment is complete. Height is our first category. Next comes leaf production. Then stem strength. Now for the underground battle. The root difference is astonishing. It's finally time to crown the winner. The champion of this experiment is... It produced the tallest growth, the healthiest leaves, the strongest stem, and the most impressive root system.
But this experiment revealed something even more important. Fast growth means nothing without healthy development.
The best nutrient wasn't simply the fastest. It created balance above and below the soil.
But a bigger question remains. Will the fastest growing nutrient also produce the healthiest fruit? That's the experiment we're testing next.